Oh, righty guys, here it is right here. Recheck on your boy. Yes, recheck on me. I'm kind of shocked. All right, I just worked on this thing maybe 2 weeks ago. Engine work. Y'all remember the one I had with the setting those O2 sensor codes and find out that the valve oil was leaking on top of those O2 sensors, right, making them go haywire. So simply replacing the O2 sensors wasn't feasible. It didn't make sense. So the thing is, we had to fix the oil leaks. Yeah, we fixed all of that. Now I got a code for evap leak. And guys, you see all these connections? It's real easy to not put something back. I ain't gonna say not put something back because it's similar to a puzzle, but it's real easy to. I'm thinking maybe I should start, do a smoke test on anything major engine work. I might start doing a smoke test when I'm done and make sure there's nothing left under the radar. All right, cause y'all know me, I pride myself. Yeah, I put that cool on there. All of this stuff new. I had all of this out, man. This car beat my butt because it's all crammed up and it's a Gen 3, meaning I had to fight with this EGR. Well, anyway, I got a P0456 small evap leak. I can't just pop these off because they got screws down there. I could have very easily, maybe not, I don't know. That's why I'm going to have to do a smoke test. All right, so, and they had it sitting on my desk, recheck on JT. Everybody get all, because you know me, I brag on not having recheck. Did I do that? Yeah, it's on there. Okay, well, let's get this thing in the shop. Wait a minute, let me see. See, this is probably the problem right here. This junk do not work on Stellantis. This is Amazon, or maybe they put this on here after they saw the code. I don't know. At any rate, I gotta smoke test it. See, here go another Wrangler right here. Let's see what kind of cap on these Wranglers. I got two Wranglers right here. Yeah, see, that's Mopar. How about this? Yeah. All this is OEM stuff. Yeah, y'all quit using that garbage, man. Quit using that junk on them. Yeah, my goodness. Well, anyway, guys, I got to get this thing in the shop and smoke test it. I'll let y'all know because my image is at stake here, all right? And if it's something that simple, I'm not going to even charge diag time because this customer just broke the bank to get their Jeep fixed. When I worked on it last, the estimate got out of control. The estimate got high. It's not my fault. I got to write up what I find, and whatever I find, you decide if you want to fix or not, all right? So y'all hold tight. Let me figure out what's going on with this. Alrighty, guys. I got this thing in the shop, in the air. We're going to find out. And I got my smoke machine hooked up and running to my battery. You guys, by the way, on a Wrangler, oh my goodness, I lost track of where they hiding the eSIMs at. Remember, the eSIM is always attached to the canister. Look at that. Yeah. That's where they hide them on a Wrangler. Right side, rear, wheel well. Now, it's filling the system up. I see that? That ball is jumping up and down. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a small leak somewhere. Okay. Now, because the system is filled with smoke, sometimes you can see. Like, I can't see it. However, my ball is bouncing all over the place. Alright, I suspect that cap. So what I'm going to do, this other Wrangler that I have over here, right here, I'm about to steal this cap and put on this car and see. Might be a different kind. Can I borrow you for a second? Yeah, let's see what happens. Because this making me look bad. And y'all know I'm highly overprotective of my... Yep, still not at the bottom. Highly overprotective of my image. So what I'm going to do, get this piece of crap out of here. I hope this is the right cap. Now I got that in place. Let's go see. We came up a little bit. Now I want to know if it drops down and stay down. Come on, baby. Do right for your boy JT, the car guy. Come on, no bouncing. Go on to the bottom. You can do it. You can do it. I got faith in you. Come on, baby. Help your boy. I don't feel like diagnosing. I don't want to make sure it's not nothing I caused. Come on, baby. Do it for me. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness, it's not looking good, guys. The suspense is killing me. It's bouncing up and down. It's trying. Ladies and gentlemen, will it go? Come on, baby. A little bit more. It's filling the system up. It's checking right there. Up, up, up. Yeah, y'all see that? I'm at the bottom, guys. Y'all see how simple that was? Patience is a virtue. What is this? This little piece of junk, you made me look bad, sucker. I thought this was something I did. Green piece of crap. Whew. Now, here's the deal. I'm gonna go back over here to make sure y'all don't think this is a fluke. My ball is at the bottom, steady. Know what that means? Ain't no freaking evap leak, because I fixed it by putting on a known good fuel cap. This is crap. AutoZone. This might be a Derman, y'all. Yeah, it's not orange, but sometimes Derman stuff be green. I think this a Derman. What y'all think? Y'all think this a Derman? Mopar, baby. Mopar rules. Guys, I'm done. That's all I have. I just had to relieve myself of any kind of... Okay, I feel so much better. It's not nothing I did under the hood. Even though I worked on the car, this is not a freaking recheck on JT the car guy, so don't y'all get it twisted. All right, enough playing for the day. I got some real work to do. Guys, I'll talk to y'all later. I got to go. Thanks for watching.